you see? Say that again. Who is this? The door is open, man. Yeah. How can I help you? What's going on?
Good morning-ish.
Good morning.
Or is it afternoon?
I don't know which
Come
one.
on, that gas drain.
Gas dryer is over there on the back wall. Yeah. If it does not have a price on it, it is not for sale. All right.
How we know which one is gas? Sir,
Say that again.
how we know which one is the gas?
Gas dryers are on the back wall. If it does not have a price on it, it is not for sale.
Gotcha. So all these right here are gas dryers.
That's correct.
Thank you.
Yep.
We gonna take one, sir.
Okay. How are you getting it from point A to point B?
You do.
We charge for delivery and install.
Okay.
All right.
It's something we would have you do.
Okay. Hold on one
The
second.
only thing I'm gonna have to do, I'm gonna have to hook up the little dryer vent. I'm gonna have to buy a whole lot of them to go from A to B. So you all have to do is put together. Is this your card?
Yeah, you'll receive one of those when I get the receipt done. Can't lean on appliances.
I read that too. So I read it too.
You want me right here?
No, I'm fine. That's the first thing I read.
I'm surprised most people don't read it, and then
Yeah, I did.
they get mad at me when I tell them.
How long you been here?
About 8 years. Oh, 8 years. What's your address?
20700 Morris Avenue, Euclid, Ohio.
That's off for 100 and that's off for 200.
So a drop off would be $50. That's where we drop it off
That's
outside.
fine.
Okay.
Outside?
Yeah.
You don't bring it in the house?
Yeah, but it's an additional fee.
How much is that?
It's based off of the house, and this is a side door.
Side door right downstairs.
Yeah, I've heard that one before.
It is. It's right downstairs. By the
Yeah,
side door.
I understand that, but I've went into many of houses where it's not a straight shot. But anyway, the basement, is it straight down in the basement, or you got to
The
turn
door
left?
right here, the basement
No
right here.
turns is what it
No
is.
turn.
All right, so you're probably looking at about 35.
35?
35 extra on top, so it'd be 85 altogether.
All right.
What's your name?
Tony, T-O-N-I.
What's your last name?
Traylor, T-R-A-Y-L-O-R.
T-R-A-Y.
L-O-R.
What's the zip code?
44123.
It's the 13th, I think. It gotta be the 13th.
So when it gonna get delivered?
We deliver on Saturday only, in between 10:30 and 6:30.
Okay.
Which one were you interested in, man?
The one for the 250 one on the end.
Comes with a 30-day warranty if you write a review on Google. If you do not write a review, you do not get a warranty. All right?
You hear that, Eric? Cause I don't got no computer. You want got the computer.
Yeah. Cell phones they do the same thing.
Could you repeat that, please?
You get a 30-day warranty if you write a review on Google. Cannot be on any other platform. If you do not write a review, you are buying the appliance as is. That review has to be done within 24 hours. So you get it that day, you hook it up, you run you some loads through there, and you just write a review and you get a 30-day warranty. All right. You got any questions? All right. There's a no refund exchange only policy we have here. All sales are final. If you write a review, you get a 30-day warranty. We cover the heating element, solenoids, belt, and the timer. Broken knobs, broken lids, broken doors, broken handles, things of that nature we don't cover. We only cover the internal functioning parts. We do not cover noise. It is a used appliance, so it's not going to sound brand new, but it's not going to be anything out of the ordinary. You got any questions for me?
Nope. I hope your service is good. That's something I can say.
How did you hear about it, sir?
Your couple of people told me about you.
What was the price on that dryer?
$250.
$250. And it is
You gonna check it out?
no, I'm not gonna check it out. I'm gonna go by this man's word. His word is his bond. I don't got nothing else to say about it. That's his business. He's not gonna sit there and sell nothing and then lose customers. Somebody referred me to him. As far as I'm concerned, I'm very good. It looks like he is a whirlpool.
Yeah.
So we're done. I'm gonna sit and call you. I do my part.
Let's see, 250, that should be 18. 20.
How much?
It's $20 in taxes. So you're looking at $355 total.
Okay. Take bank cards.
Yes, we do. What's your phone number, ma'am?
Erica 216-785-0247.
All right, you got to slow down, ma'am. I'm trying to write it. 785. All right.
0247.
247. All right, so we have to go over this first real quick. You go ahead and get information up. All right, so this is the same information that I just verbally spoke to you. This is your name, your information, my initials, because I'm the one that's selling it to you. Charges, how you're paying. You're purchasing a Kenmore gas dryer for $250. You get a 30-day warranty if you write a review on Google, no other platforms, within 24 hours. If you do not write that review,
24 hours when it's delivered?
From it's delivered.
Okay.
Yep, so you have Sunday to the next day, Sunday, to write the review. If you do not write the review, you do not get a warranty, period.
Okay.
Do not call us. You can
So where's the number for the warranty and all
I'm
that
gonna give you all of that.
Okay.
Just 1 second. So if you do not write the review, you do not get a warranty. All right. There's a no refund exchange only policy we have, as I explained to you. Hypothetically, if something happens where I deem I cannot fix it, I'll exchange it for free of charge, but you're responsible for the delivery. All right. We do not warranty noise. As I said before, it is a used appliance and it shouldn't be any noise out of the ordinary, but it is a used appliance, so it should make some sort of noise. All right. Your delivery will be on the 16th. In between 10:30 and 6:30. We will call you an hour ahead of time. You do not have to call us on Saturday. I'm gonna staple that to this. All right, no refund, exchange only. That's your phone number right there. Your total is going to be $355. You got $250. The taxes on $250 is $20. That brings your total to $355. Need your signature right there. All right. Need your ID.
It's not the right address on there. I just moved.
Oh, we just wanted to make sure the names match up. Tony D. Taylor. That's you. Alright. This is the name of our business. This is where you go write the review on Google.
Okay.
Alright. Check out 35500. Alright, so $355 is what I'm charging your card.
Got chip.
That's yours.
Got chip.
Yeah, it don't.
It don't matter.
Yep, it don't matter. Does not matter. Let's see. Some places it do. 785. You're all set, man.
That's it.
Yep, that's
All right,
it.
see you Saturday.
Yep, no problem.
Okay.
Thank you for your business.
Thank you.
Yep, no problem. Oh, one more thing before you leave out of here. If I have to remove doors, it is $15 a door. I forgot to tell you that.
Okay.
All right?
You don't have to move no though.
Okay.
All right.